Ladies and gentlemen, this is Juneh. She's signing bunny. Bunny. And then next, lion. Lion. And then next is tiger. Next is dolphin. Excellent. Duck. A duck. And a chicken. Now she's thinking. This is a sign for I am thinking. What are the other signs? Apple. Orange. Orange. Oh, dog. And then I'm thinking again. This is Juneh. I'm thinking. I'm listening for something like a turtle. Turtle. Excellent. And pig. Yes, pig. And then cow. Cow, not that. Okay. Cow. And horse. Fish. Oh, that's friend. Friend. Friend, yes. And fish is like this. And snake. Ooh, snake. Yeah, that is the best snake I've ever seen. Ah, the snake is attacking the cow!